771 million. I take that again, 771 million. Now, this is not just some random figure, but actually accounts for the number of people who have no access to clean potable water globally. But imagine with me the possibility of bringing this number down to 300 million within the next decade using a technology as simple as that we use when we boil water. It sounds insane, but allow me to introduce you to the future of clean water technology, solar-driven interfacial evaporation. And for the next 3 minutes, my team, Vatten Technologies, will walk you through how we hope to deploy this solution in addressing the global water crisis. Now, in most rural communities, access to water is quite challenging, and where they are available, they are contaminated by all forms of waste. Various water remediation technologies have therefore been developed in the last few years, but they are expensive and environmentally unsustainable. All these are, however, changing as our company will be developing her first specialized water remediation stations powered by solar energy and capable of eco-efficiently producing clean, drinkable water from contaminated sources. Each water station consists of a solar panel used to generate energy, which pumps water and simultaneously heats it up, collecting the vapor into a condensation unit that allows for clean water collection. Our water stations are capable of producing 20,000 liters of water, which is enough for 40 households daily.
As a social enterprise dedicated to addressing the global water crisis, our value proposition is simple yet impactful. We guarantee access to clean water for rural communities, power groundwater remediation using solar energy, and innovate infrastructure, fulfilling SDGs 6, 7, and 9. So what sets us apart is our game-changing solution, which is low-cost, easy to install, all-in-one technology with one of the highest solar to vapor ratio in the market. We deliver an efficient, cost-effective solution that combines clean energy and water purification seamlessly. Our market is India. So why India? Disturbingly, 23% of the 700 million people facing water crisis globally are in India. In a $7 billion industry, we aspire to capture 500 million by strategically focusing on rural communities. So how we plan to make it happen? Our business model is straightforward. We charge an installation fee covering production and labor coupled with a maintenance fee. Targeting rural communities and residents association, we collaborate with NGOs and government agencies to make this venture happen.
We are Vatten Technologies, a dynamic team ready to revolutionize water remediation with our unique blend of skill sets and expertise. Looking at our financial projection, we are on track to break even by the first quarter of 2026, and we project a revenue of 7.5 million and a net profit of $1 million by 2028. At Vatten Technologies, our 5-year plan unfolds in 3 key phases of lean business model, including development and pilot program to full-scale deployment and expansion, bringing sustainable clean water solutions to communities. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Together, let's be part of something bigger, creating a world where every drop makes a difference. Vatten Technologies, empowering lives one drop at a time.